Let's look at how clients find your business and secure their spot online. Your business gets a customizable booking website that lets clients book with you online. No calls needed. The website can live on your own custom domain. You can integrate and receive bookings from your existing website too. Once clients land on your booking website, they'll see everything they need. Details about your business, your team, and planned events and classes. They can see your schedule and book a class that works best for them. Clients can also pay at the end of the booking process with total peace of mind. Instantly, you receive a notification and the capacity updates in your Reservio calendar, as well as on your website. Clients can also view and manage their own profiles. They can look up past and manage upcoming bookings. And if you offer loyalty tools such as memberships or punch cards, clients can access them within the profile and extend and pay for them right away. The booking website can be shared via a QR code on your business card, social media, or even Google Maps, making it easy for new clients to find and book with you. Set up ads to attract even more clients looking for classes like yours by integrating with platforms like Google Ads, Bing Ads, or Google Analytics, and boost your visibility. In selected regions, Reservio also offers a marketplace where local clients can browse and book services directly, bringing in even more business. Try Reservio with a 14-day free trial and explore all features with no commitment. Just create a free account at reservio.com.